I spent this weekend as appalled as I'm sure many of the taxpayers are throughout New Jersey, just to learn about the depth of the scandal of uniform officers in abusing anabolic steroids. On a million levels, this is really troublesome. First and foremost, I'm sorry to those individuals who made really poor decisions to put their health and bodies at risk, but I'm equally as sad for the taxpayer. Hundreds and hundreds, probably millions of dollars when you have people that they can't afford prescriptions that as taxpayers are footing what is something that I think supervisors should have realized, that there should have been better supervision. It should have never been able to get beyond where it is now at this scale. Think of beyond just the cost of the prescriptions alone, what this is going to mean. Starting just with the long-term disability that these public employees are on based upon the health effects of the steroids. We read about one who had a stroke related to that, who is now, at a very young age going to be, frankly, on the dole for the remainder of his life, and who's going to pay? The taxpayer. As it relates to just the lawsuits that might be out there for police brutality, if you will, just think of Jersey City alone as to that being a hotbed of this. If you're the attorney representing those individuals, you're going to want even more and more of the taxpayers' money to resolve those claims, starting to talk now about roid rage and about how supervisors on a higher level allowed this to occur. I'm really, if I seem angry, I am angry. And you know what? We can have legislative hearings, we can gnash our teeth all we want. People should go to jail. And those who abuse the taxpayer, frankly, shouldn't remain on the dole, and that should be a part of what the Attorney General should come into. So I'm calling for Attorney General Dow to look at this whole circumstance, and those who are responsible should be made accountable and criminally punished if for certain, and under the AG's ability to bring civil penalties to try to restore a couple dollars back to the beleaguered taxpayer.